Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. So today I'm going to be doing another clean with me, but I've been inspired by Mrs. Hinch to do a Zoflora hour using the Zoflora disinfectant. So on the Zoflora website there's a really handy guide on where and how to use the Zoflora. Everything is sectioned into rooms and you can just click on each tab to see which room you want to tackle. There's also a great tab on health and hygiene and what the difference is between disinfecting and cleaning. So I will definitely put the link to the Zoflora website down below. I was also watching a video from Clean My Space this morning, and Melissa from Clean My Space had a really great detailed video on the differences as well between cleaning and disinfecting. She breaks everything down so well so it's easy to understand, and she is also a professional cleaner. I will put the video link for that down below. I definitely recommend giving that a watch as well. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when a new video does go up. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. I wanted to share with you guys what I'm going to be using today. First of all, starting with the Zoflora, I've got 4 here. I'm not going to be using all of them, but I just wanted to show you what I have currently. So I've got Linen Fresh, Tropical Twist, Country Garden and Bouquet. Country Garden and Linen Fresh you would have seen in my last clean with me, and then I picked up Bouquet and Tropical Twist from Poundland. I'm most probably going to be sticking to the Linen Fresh today just because that's what I've got diluted in a bottle. This is the bottle that I picked up from Home Bargains, and I've just got 1 capful of Linen Fresh and then the rest is water. So I'm going to be using this mix. Then to clean the surfaces first before I disinfect with this, I just have a mix. This is from Clean My Space, the mixture. It's really simple. It's literally just half a teaspoon of washing up liquid and then the rest is water. I wanted to show you these bottles as well. These are from the garden section in Poundland, so they come in a pack of 2 for £1, and you can see the size of them compared to the one from Home Bargains, so they're a great size. And the first thing I'm going to be cleaning is the outside of the kitchen cupboards and the handles in the kitchen, and also the bin. Next, moving on to the hallway, I'm going to be doing the front door, all the door handles and the radiator. In the bathroom, I'm going to be concentrating on the sink, the tap, also the bin and the toilet. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Don't forget to let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see next, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, bye.